Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, and I'm back with another valuable video for you guys. Okay, so today's video is how to get paid off viral videos. All right, now this technique has been working for me for a very long time. I'll just click on a few, you guys. I'll click on a few. This is my Facebook page, right? So about 2015, 2014, I started uploading these viral videos. Okay. So this is a movie by the name of Five Heartbeats. Many of you may know this video, all right, or this movie. 1.4 million views, 34,000 shares, 1.3 comments, 11K likes, right? Where do you see my link? Right here. Bingo, traffic forever. People are still commenting on this video to this day. All right. Traffic, traffic, traffic. And when they click on this, guess where they go? Straight to my email processing business where I get paid on a daily basis, you guys. All right. So they get, sent straight to here and they can decide if they want to get started with your boy or not. All right. So, this technique has been working for years now. I've been telling people about this. People don't have the patience to do it. I mean, this isn't for everybody. Now, if you really want to make some good money, this could be for you. This can turn into a number of things. So, this one here, 1.9 million views. All right, and I have my link here. Okay, and that's me. This has been very viral. This one here is on its way to go viral. It's at 19K. I just posted this in April. I have tons. I literally have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of these videos on my page, you guys. So basically, what you want to do. Oh, I found music and old movies and things like that really went viral a lot because it jogs people's memory, takes them down memory lane. This was a song I called Baby Making Music. I didn't say exactly what song it was because I wanted people to click on it and pique their interest. Like, I wonder what this is. A lot of people didn't know this song had a music video to it. And so people were shocked when they seen it. It's years and years old, but a lot of people didn't know, so it started going viral. Now, I'm going to show you how you could do this, guys. And it's going to take time. You can either do it from your regular Facebook page. That's what I did in order to get lots and lots of followers. I have a ton of followers on this page, a lot of followers. So, uh, what you could do is, for instance, okay, so when was the last time somebody seen this video? A long time ago. Little Bow Wow bouncing me. This was like his first video that ever came out, right? When he first came out, way back in the day. All right. So, me being the clever person that I am, and you being the clever person that you are, you're going to watch this video and copy what I do. You take this video here, you go to this website called downvids.net, you paste it in here. You always want to do 1080p because you want the best version of it as possible. You just click download and then the video pops up. You download it straight to your computer, re-upload it to Facebook. Now, once you upload it, it may say something about copyright. Ignore it and continue. Just say continue with the copyright, whatever. Facebook is not YouTube, so they don't flag it. They don't do anything crazy to you because I've uploaded hundreds and hundreds of videos, with supposedly copyright things. So yeah, you just click download. It downloads straight to your computer or your cell phone. Okay. I'm not gonna do it all the way, but once you upload it, okay. And just before I'll show you that, let me go back here. I'll click off this so you guys can see. This is my song in high school. Remember, see, people even they go way back and just start jogging down memory lane. What you can do is you can put something like who remembers this? Wow. That's it. Once you have the video uploaded. Okay? Maybe a couple emojis. Something fly that's gonna, grab people's attention. Mine's not really doing it right now, so I'll just do a couple of these, and then a wow face. Boom. So who remembers this? And then the video of the Bow Wow. People are gonna comment on there and be like, "Wow, I remember this when I was in middle school. I was in elementary when this came out. Wow, this is crazy. I used to love this song. Blah blah blah." It's gonna start taking off. Now, every video does not go viral. I'm just letting you know. And so that's where people don't have the patience in. See, I build, this page up. Okay. Some years back in order to get a lot of followers. Now, my videos and stuff, go viral kind of on their own now. But I even have videos in here, man, with up to, 4 or 5 million views on it. And it's insane. Okay. Let me see if I can find one, because I remember let me see how females used to dance in 2004. Follow Jeremy. It's almost like a YouTube search. Bingo, found it. All right, so let's click on this one, and I'll show you guys, the amount of views that this one has. And I uploaded this one. This is somebody else's post, but this is actually my post. See, Jeremy Henry, follow Jeremy. What do you see again? Email processing, 4 million views. All right, so let me click it so you guys can see how viral it actually is. Let me actually click the video. This video actually goes viral again every year. Anytime I share it, it goes viral and gets more and more millions, okay? So, and when they click that link at the top, it takes them straight to my email processing business. So it's just a little, funny video. Clowning girls on how they used to dance in about 2004. I put the, LMAO with the laughing face. I let the video go viral first. As it started going viral, see, look here. 4.6 million views, 24K likes, 88K shares, and just tons and tons of comments, guys. Like, look at this, 11 hours ago, 9 hours ago. People are still 17 minutes ago, guys. 17. Look, and I uploaded this 3 years ago. Viral marketing strategies, you guys. So, and when they click that link, like I said, when they click that link, it takes them right to my email processing business. Learn how Jeremy makes an extra $5,000 a month posting ads, right? So people click on that, they watch the things, they get started. I get paid on a daily basis from YouTube and from this. So this is a strategy, like I said, you guys can use to continue to get passive income on a regular basis. You can do this with so many different things. Maybe you have something that you watched when you were a kid that's no longer on TV. People used to watch Living Color, Martin, all kinds of stuff you can just upload. And it takes time. Some things go viral, some things don't. But I mean, if you stick with it, then you'll start getting those huge viral videos and getting tons of sales on a daily basis. So hopefully that helped you guys. I really want to do, pique your interest on these things. I have tons of marketing strategies that I want to go over with you guys. But if you're already in a business already and you just want to learn how to market, I do have training in this video below. Below this video, I also have a one-on-one coaching. Okay. Contact me by email or text me if you want one-on-one coaching. Just let me know what your budget is. I have a set price, but sometimes I would try to work around people's budgets because I really want to help you guys. As well as if you just want to join me in email processing, you guys definitely do that below this video as well, or just check out the other things that I have. See, all of these videos are other videos that I've uploaded. See, all of these didn't go super viral, 7.3K, 9.3K, So it's just kind of showing you. See, even this one, this was another Bow Wow one I did in 2016, 402,000 views. This one, 10,000 views there. Some of them only 3,000. As you can see, that one touched 1 million. Oh, another one that touched 1 million was I put best music video of 2015, which was Big Sean. That one touched 1 million. So I have tons of videos with millions of views. Even this one, Cassidy the Rapper. I uploaded this one on January 14th. 2016. This one has 1 million plus views too. So, oh, had to show you one more. This one too. This is a song with R. Kelly and the Isley Brothers. That one, you know that song. What the hell is going on between the sheets in my home? That's that video, and that one got 1 million views too. And I put my links in all of it. That's how you get paid, you guys. Think outside the box. Come on, man. That's how you get paid every day. All right. So, like I said, everything you need is in the description below this video. Contact me if you guys need help, if you want to join something, if you just want to make money, whatever it is, just contact me and I'm willing to help you guys. All right. Peace.